a world of pain, a world of death, a world where the innocent are constantly targeted. Eyes not the back of my head. I would a mad brother they talk about.
Go on, lock up, hiccup. Let me throw them garbage here and I see.
You think it's a garbage dump? People like you just won't understand the importance of this body of water we so recklessly pollute every day. We have some of the most beautiful coral reefs on this earth, and we are destroying that with our appetites for pollution. Without our coral reefs, we can say goodbye to our fishing population. A percentage of our tourists come here annually to gaze upon its beauty. Have you ever stopped to think of what will happen if we continue to treat our waters like this? Well, it will be pure chaos. Our islands will have no defense against massive storm surges. Our fishermen will be desperately out of work because there'll be no fish to catch. Sorry, my youth, but when I see them thing, I just get me cross. Not do them thing, man. So that's it. You beat up my little brother over garbage. No hiccup, go and kick you up.